Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix settings won't open in Windows Solve Settings app not opening problem. Open Group Policy. Change settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.